Yellowstone National Park. There's a what do we call these things with the bubbles?
Pink,
There's a not a pink pot. It's a
fumarole.
there's a
No, that's with the steam.
there's a bubble pond.
This is a
I made
no,
up my own
that's
word.
a
I made up my own word.
it's a hot spring. That's a hot spring.
These are hot springs. And
Well, some of these are.
can you hear the sound in the background, Cameron?
Yeah.
So the camera can pick up the sound. Can you pick up the sound on that? Yeah, it's making little sounds. It's pretty cool. We'll just pan around a little bit. That was Dottie saying ooh. Pan back around here. And there's a huge lake out here. This is just a massive lake. You can see the smoke coming off the heated geyser fields. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. This little guy right here is making a ton of noise there. He's perking all over the place. Sounds like coffee pots.